Now these things are very valuable and everyone always loses them, so take them off. I'm gonna keep these for my car. Gotta take off this whole panel. Yeah, so once you've unclipped it here from the spring, just kind of lift it off. Already taken was off, but yeah, just clipped on, lift it off, and that's it. Oh, not a bad little collection forming here. So here's your seal. So this is nicely off. You basically pull it up. I'll show you in a minute, like you do with any other panel. But then, be careful, don't rip these valuable seals. See, they all come as one piece. Actually, this isn't one piece, so try and take them off. Try and take them off with these clips, so then it's easier to put them back on. So put your screwdriver in there, and that's it. It pulls out. So it's not part of this one. This one just comes off. And these little grommet things, yeah, just use this tool to be on the safe side. Put it in there, pull it off, nice and easy. Then your whole seal comes off just like that. Okay, next I'm gonna take out this roof so that I'm gonna work on it a little bit and bring it back to life, baby, so we can get some decent dineros for it. So you've got 3 screws here, 1 in there, 2, where's the second one? In there, and 3rd right here. So let's begin. Remember to take all this fireproofing, all this lovely noise reducing material. Mine's all shit and cracked up, so I'm gonna use this one. Don't rip it. Where you've got like clip things, take them out with a screwdriver. Probably end up ripping it while I'm saying it. Oh, you can't. Absolute cunt. So, one is coming out. Okay, once you've taken out these 2 easy bolts, one easy one here, another one here, down there, then you need to, while the roof is in this position, you need to take out these 2. Here, you don't need any specialized tools to do the job. It's a kid's bike Allen key. And then just tighten it by hand. Right guys, finally opened the back lid hatch, and that's the screws for your motor. There, there, and there, and there. Let's do it. Okay, then you have to unbolt the last 3 bolts. So one here, if you haven't done so already, and just this little one here. And then that should be it, my friends. And there you have it. Oh, it was a heavy motherfucker. Guys, you need 2 people. Shame I didn't have 2 people. It was a fucking big job. Oh, goddamn.